technical?
Now only I'm recording. Sorry. Doesn't matter. Proceed. Yeah.
Okay, sir. So these are the basic relevant fields in which civil engineers work.
Very good. Civil engineers are, you say that civil engineers job is very relevant.
Yes, sir.
But then why are you coming out of that?
So, being a civil engineer, my primary aim was to to get a government sector job. But then recruitment for PSUs and through PSC exams are very much delayed these days. And I'll have a career gap in my profession. But also during my civil engineering course, I realized that my ability lies in quantitative aptitude. So I would be able to do well in a banking sector rather than being a civil engineer.
Good. See, this mostly they may not ask questions relating to civil engineering for you in SIB interview, but only in IBPS they are asking. But be ready for that. What is structural audit? Who does that? How they do it? Why they do it? Did you ever do it? What is compressive strength?
Okay.
Then what is opposite of it? Then what is tensile strength? What is the use of tensile strength? What type of foundation is done for metro or rails? Good question. In fact, I asked this question to one girl. She could not tell me. Can you answer this question for me? What type of foundation is done for metro rail system?
I can't relate actually.
No, actually, you are not studied this. But this I have doubt about this, the road is there on top, but below that train goes up.
Yes.
Metro rails, Chennai construction system. I'm just putting metro rail, Chennai metro rail. Chennai metro rail project is serving CMRL construction. Who constructed Chennai metro? Is Chennai metro a failure? Where in India metro is metro rail construction industry? Yeah, Chennai metro rail to build depot at Ponnamalli. I had this doubt, so that's why I'm thinking, what is the technology are they adopting? Railway technology.com. Chennai Chennai metro rail. So you don't know, you try to find out, okay?
Okay, sir, sure, I'll try to find out.
Sorry, I put you difficult question and can't help it. This was there in that. Recently in IBPS interview, they have asked this question. And regarding this, they can also ask you, what are the latest developments that have taken place in your industry? Hello. Yeah, and then you are living in Trivandrum, is it not?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
In Trivandrum, which is the tallest building and which is the superest building newly constructed? And are you having metro rails, etc. in Trivandrum? Are there any?
So we don't, at present, we don't have a metro rail system at Trivandrum. And the largest structure right now is Lulu Mall, which has been inaugurated recently. It is Asia's largest Lulu Mall.
Achha. In the case of construction, civil engineers, they are also asking questions like, say, what do you understand by what is that? Undivided share.
Sorry? Undivided share.
What is undivided share? Have you heard about it? No.
No, sir.
Undivided share means like this. In the case of construction of flats,
Okay.
What happens? There is a ground of four grounds. 4 grounds means 9,600 square feet.
Okay.
Now you are going to construct 16 flats on that.
Okay.
They are being given documents, ownership of land, that is undivided share of land, 4 grounds divided by 16. 9,600 by 16.
Okay.
Manslayo. That is,
Manslai, sir.
they will have 600 square feet area. So because you know, based on that value only, when the land value increases, the value of the flat also will rise up.
Okay.
So that is this, you may not know because you are not from city. Are you living in a, say, flats? No.
No, sir. I am from a village.
That is why you don't know. Ippa manasalayo.
Is Manslai, sir. Yeah, I understand.
Next question they are asking is, what is encumbrance certificate? What is encumbrance certificate? Because they are asking, because you are a civil engineer. Encumbrance certificate, when it will come in the case of housing loan and all, when we are giving housing loan, we will verify whether the owner has got title to the property by going through the documents.
Okay.
Not only that, you will also ask him to get encumbrance certificate from registrar office for 13 years. Some banks take for 30 years, 30.
Okay.
Once you go through the encumbrance certificate, you will know what are the charges created over this property.
Okay.
Tamil puriyuma?
புரியும் சார், எனக்கு தமிழ் புரியும்.
அதாவது என்னன்னா, அந்த ப்ராப்பர்ட்டியை வேற யாருக்கான மார்கேஜ் பண்ணிருக்காங்களா, வேற யாருக்கான கொடுத்திருக்காங்களா அப்படின்னு பாக்குறதுக்கு அந்த என்கம்பரன்ஸ் சர்டிபிகேட் உதவும்.
ஓகே.
அவ்வளவுதான். சரி, இப்ப நான் ஜெனரல் क्वेश्चनக்கு வரேன். நீ கிளர்க்கா தான் ஜாயின் பண்ண போற.
ஆமா. Yes sir.
Please tell me what is the job role of a clerk in South Indian Bank?
Clerk is a person who will have to communicate with the customers, and he will help the customers to open a bank account. Then we'll have to mainly customer relationship is the main role of a clerk. Then for clerk, I mean, they will have to help the customers with getting a gold loan, something for getting loans.
No. This question can be told differently. We will check up. Kanagaraj, are you there online? Kanagaraj, are you there online?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Can you answer this question in English? What is the job role of a clerk?
As a clerk, we can handling the front desk customers, and the customer inquiries and customer complaints, and other things like account openings.
Receiving cash, paying cash.
Mainly receiving cash and paying cash. As a cashier, receiving the cash and doing the payments, like same like receiving the cash and deposit the cash. Sorry, withdraw the cash.
And also, say, making passbook entry, giving fixed deposit receipts, payment of FDRs, then receiving money for recurring deposits, and also for other transactions like, say, DD, demand draft, and also
issuing the DD and issuing the pay orders,
remittances, and all that. And all that the clerk has to do by willingly, with a smiling face. Neetu, could you follow?
Yes sir, I can understand.
Very good. Which bank do you have an account?
I have an account at Federal Bank.
Oh Baba, so don't tell them you have account with Federal Bank. They may not like you because they are their competitors. Understand?
Okay.
வேற அவங்க அப்பாவுக்கு வேற எங்கேயான பேங்க் அக்கவுண்ட் இருக்கா?
SBI account இருக்கு.
சரி, அப்ப SBI ன்னு சொல்லிட்டு போ, பரவாயில்ல. SBI ன்னு சொன்னியானா SBI யோனோ ஆப்பை பத்தி கேட்பாங்க. ஆப்லாம் தெரியுமா?
Yon app internet banking app provided by the SBI.
தெரியும் இல்லையா? Very good, very good, very good, very good. Now, can you tell me what is the difference between fixed deposit and a recurring deposit?
Yes, sir. Recurring deposit is made in either in an installment basis, either monthly. Then fixed deposits are for a certain period of time. The amount is being deposited for a time duration. For recurring, both these deposits we get interest. These are mainly time deposits.
These are time deposits, correct? Recurring deposit we pay every month, whereas in fixed deposit we pay it in one lump sum. We draw interest every quarter.
Yes.
Very good. Now, do you know what is meant by OD account? Hello? தெரியாது.
Sir.
தெரியாதா? தெரியாதுன்னா கடகராஜ் சொல்லுங்க பார்க்கலாம். What is an OD account?
OD account, OD means overdraft account. If customers need fund against the term deposits or any other like securities, collateral securities.
One minute. Hello. Yes. Then you please come to Zoom. You know the Zoom ID? Please note down.
Okay, sir.
374 351 50 74.
Okay, sir.
Then password.
Yes, sir.
Number 8. And then 1 minute, I have forgot it. Number 8. V for victory, capital. V for victory, N for navy.
Okay, sir.
Then queen, இது வந்து small letter.
Q for queen.
Small letter.
Okay.
Then N for navy, E for England.
எல்லாமே small letters.
அது பெருசு. Q small letter, N capital, E capital.
Okay, sir.
சொல்லு பார்க்கலாம் பாஸ்வேர்ட் சொல்லு.
Yes, sir. 8 capital V capital N small q N E
capital N E capital.
Yes, sir.
சரி
two small letters.
ஆமா நம்பர் சொல்லு.
Mobile number, sir?
இல்ல இந்த நம்பர் Zoom ID number.
Okay, sir. 374 35 15074.
சரி உன் பேர் என்ன?
Gayatri, sir.
சரி ஆமா என்ன
ஒன்னும்
ஒன்னும் ப்ராப்ளம் இல்ல நீ வா. come to thanks. Yeah, sorry Kanagaraj, we were discussing about overdraft, correct?
OD account. OD means OD stands for overdraft accounts. Overdraft is against any deposits or any other collateral securities. Is if customers need to like loan emergency purpose, they can bank can assign the limit like 10 lakh or 20 lakhs is the limit. Then they can withdraw the money from up to 10 lakhs. Is the limit is 10 lakh means they can withdraw the money up to 10 lakhs. Then they can deposit the money into the same account. They can transact with OD overdraft account.
And no, actually overdraft account is an account where a limit is sanctioned against security of say fixed deposit or house property or shares, etc. And the borrower can draw the amount up to the limit and he has to repay the amount and repay the interest also. And once he does that, he can again redraw this money. That is the advantage of overdraft account. Whereas in a loan account, you are given money, you take that money and you start repaying. Once you repay, you can't take back that money from loan account. So that is the difference. Neetu புரிஞ்சுதா உனக்கு?
Yes, sir.
புரிஞ்சிடுச்சா? Good.
Yes, yes.
ஏன்னா அவரை பத்தி ப்ராப்ளம் இல்லை. He is working in a bank. He will be able to manage it very well. Now Neetu, tell me what is a public sector bank and private sector bank?
Sir, in a public sector bank, the government will be the main shareholder. More than 50% of the stake is held by the government. Whereas in a private sector bank, the share of the government would be less than 50%.
Good. Excellent. What is your father?
My father is a supervisor at Travancore Titanium Products Limited. He's in the mechanical department.
Good. Very good. Mother?
My mother is a homemaker. Even she's a graduate.
Very good. And now, yesterday in one NABARD question, they asked very silly questions. NABARD,
Okay.
She is a very, very, very nice candidate, and but they asked some questions like, say, what is it you do not like in this world? What is the question? How to answer this? Tell me, what is it you don't like in this world?
To be very frank, I don't like people who lie to me. Like, I trust people very, I trust them very often, but then if I get a bad, like if people lie to me, I feel really bad. I can't.
No, if people
lie to me, if they are not honest.
பொய் சொன்னா பிடிக்காது. அச்சா.
Yes.
Very good, very good. Kanagaraj, what is it you don't like? Hello, Kanagaraj, you are there? No. போயிட்டாரா? கடகராஜ் போயிட்டார் போல இருக்கு. பரவாயில்ல. நேத்து பரவாயில்ல. நேத்து நெக்ஸ்ட் கேள்வி ஒரு சூப்பர் கேள்வி.
Okay, sir.
Sorry.
Yeah,
Hello, sir.
Kanagaraj, what is it you don't like at all?
Don't like it. It means some people's having some. I have no idea.
Parvala. Something you have to answer this question. Okay. Now new participant has come. Viva 1714. Viva.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. You are from which state?
Tamil Nadu, sir. Have called you right now, sir.
Yeah. Which place are you living?
I'm from Kumbakonam, sir, Tanjavur district.
Very good. கொஞ்சம் நல்ல குரல் கேட்கறது சந்தோஷம். ஆனா கூட கொஞ்சம் என்னமோ ரொம்ப கோபமா பேசுற மாதிரி இருக்கு. அப்படி குரல் நல்ல குரல் தானே?
Yes, sir. Tone அப்படி இருக்க போல, sir. Sorry, sir.
No problem. கொஞ்சம் இப்ப பாரு, ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள் நான் இந்த பொண்ணை கேட்கறேன், அது எப்படி பதில் சொல்லுது பாரு. நீத்து சுப்பிரமணியம்.
Yes, sir.
Neetu Subramaniam. So what are your hobbies?
Sir, basically I love singing and I listen to music and I like communicating with more people and making friends. These are my hobbies.
Very good. உன் பேர் என்னமா?
காயத்ரி.
காயத்ரி. புரிஞ்சுதா? இது குரல் வித்தியாசம், அவ்வளவுதான், வேற ஒண்ணும் இல்ல. உன்னை என்ன கேள்வி கேட்டேன் இப்பனா?
இல்ல சார், நீங்க இப்பதான் நான் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் வரேன் சார்.
இப்பதான் வரேன். சோ நீ எந்த ஊரு? கும்பகோணமா?
ஆமா சார்.
ஓ பாபா, சூப்பர் ஊரு. And that too today Maha Shivaratri. Super. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
கும்பகோணம் South Indian Bank branches இருக்கா?
இருக்கு சார்.
Acha. Have you visited Kumbakonam South Indian Bank branch?
No, sir, I haven't yet visited, sir.
Why have you not visited?
Sir, I have not get any chance to visit the branch, sir.
No.
So only after hearing the examination, we get to know that there is a branch in our hometown, sir.
So you please go and visit that branch tomorrow.
Okay, sir.
Just try to collect some materials from there, some challan, some say pamphlet and all that.
Okay, sir.
That is actually not required. Everything is available in the internet. And
Okay.
if somebody is, you can tell, because some questions sometimes they ask in South Indian Bank, why have you not visited our branch? What do you see in our branch? What do you like in our branch? இந்த மாதிரி கேள்விகள் வரும்.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
So முடிஞ்சா நேரா போய் பார்த்துட்டு வா. For
Okay, sir.
example, பாரு. For example, that Neetu also, if you have a branch nearby, please visit that.
Okay, sir, sure.
Yeah. Gayatri, what is your father?
Sir, he's a retired. Sorry, sir. He's a retired CRPF personnel, sir.
Oh, Baba. Central Reserve Police Force.
Yes, sir.
That is why your voice is like this. Ton, ton, ton. Huh?
Sorry. Sorry, sir. Sorry.
Just joking. Don't think.
Okay.
What is the degree you have studied?
Sir, I'm a BTech graduate, sir. I have done my graduation in biotechnology, sir.
Super. What is biotechnology?
Sir, biotechnology is a stream where it includes it involves the science and also the technology. It means so engineering tools will also be engineered here in this stream. For example, when you opt BSc in biotechnology, it will be purely of ரொம்ப வந்து science oriented job இருக்கும். So like laboratory experiments இந்த மாதிரி மட்டுமே இருந்துட்டு இருக்கும் sir. When you come with the technology, bioprocess engineering will also be included in biotechnology. So bioprocessing engineering and also bioinformatics will also get included in biotechnology, sir.
After doing biotechnology, why do you want to come to our bank? And that too as a clerk.
No, sir, I'm for PO, sir.
Acha. You are applying for PO.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Acha. ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं. So you wrote both exams and you are not select. Have you been selected in clerk?
Sir, no, sir. I have given only the PO exam, sir.
Oh, very good, very good. What are the job role
Sir,
of what is the job role of an officer?
Sir, the job role of an officer is to supervise. Sorry, I don't know if I'm right, sir. To check whether the subordinates are doing their work properly, and also to check the loan amount and to recover NPAs. To look for the ways to recover NPAs. And sorry, sir, I'm not aware much of it, sir. 1 minute. See. And also to get new customers. Yes, sir.
Google.com la poite job role of probationary officer in bank அப்படின்னு போட்டா வரும்.
Okay, sir.
அது சொல்லணுங்கிறது இல்லை, நான் சொல்லனா கூட போறோம். அதாவது என்னன்னா, பேங்க் ஜாப் ப்ரொஃபைல் என்னன்னாக்கா, நம்பர் 1 to receive customers with smile, attend to their needs.
Okay, sir.
Then say telling them about the various schemes of the bank and try to canvass as much schemes from them and try to sell new products to them. They may come for savings bank, but you will sell some other products to them. And the bank probationary officer has got responsibility in terms of customer service and also to bring a new business, then handle cash, then attend to payment clearances, then report verification, then official communication. Clerical also need to, for you also, customer service is more important. Then bringing new business is important for you. Handling cash is important for you. And also attending to payment clearances. Say payment clearances means in the form of check, DD, NEFT, RTGS, all these things. That is sending NEFT or receiving NEFT or sending RTGS, receiving RTGS. All this is job of a clerical staff. And whatever clerical staff is doing, officers will supervise and then do well. But you can add one more point for both the categories. To help the branch management in improving the deposit base, in improving the profit, and in help in recovering the non-performing asset. Purinjida, all the three of you, Netu, all of you are in same South Indian Bank only. Good, excellent.
Okay.
புரிஞ்சது இல்லையா?
Yes, sir. Sir, I
Yes, sir,
have a
yes.
doubt, sir.
Yeah, please ask.
Sir, நீங்க இப்போ கேட்ட கொஸ்டினே இப்போ வந்து like why have you opted banking after engineering? Lady, why எதுக்கு biotechnology அப்புறம் banking na? I don't have a perfect answer to answer them, sir. So
The one answer can be, even for Neetu it is applicable. See,
okay, sir.
in the field
sir.
in which I have studied, there are not sufficient opportunities, job opportunities. That's
Okay,
one.
sir.
Number two, the salary offered is also very low, and
Okay, sir.
the job is also not secured. In that, depending on the need, sometimes people are sent out of the job also. Whereas a banking sector is a growing sector, and South Indian Bank is a old private sector bank growing, and the job offers a lot of satisfaction in while doing the job, and also it offers good career growth and job prospects. Good career
sir.
prospects. Actual reason is the comparison between ICICI Bank, HDFC Bank, then say Dhanalakshmi Bank and all that is that, say they are all paying low salary, contract salary, and not IBA salary. Whereas
Yes, sir.
this bank only is other, but that you don't have to speak openly. If they ask second time the same question, then you can tell, sir, our SIB is paying IBA salary, and our career prospects are also good, and officers and employees are treated well. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Almari
Okay,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Next question.
Sir, sir, if they ask us like, why don't you prefer public sector bank over SBI சொல்லி கேட்டா என்ன சார் பண்றது?
See, actually, I have applied for public sector. Probably நீ apply பண்ணினியா இல்லையா?
Yes, sir, பண்ணிருக்கேன் sir. I've given IBPS PO interview last year, sir. This time mains clear ஆகல sir.
Oh.
So I've been preparing for this examinations only, sir.
அப்ப என்ன சொல்லலாம், அத வேற மாதிரி ஆன்சர் பண்ணலாம். See, if I get a job in SIB, I will not go to public sector, because both of them offer more or less similar opportunities. And or initially you can say, I tried, I could not succeed, so I am here. Nothing wrong. Fact.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
It's a fact. Nothing wrong.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Next question. Kelungo. Any Kanagaraj, you have some doubts in questions?
No, sir.
ஒன்னும் டவுட் இல்ல. நீத்து, உனக்கு ஏதாவது மனசுல டவுட் இருக்கா கேக்குறதுக்கு?
இல்ல sir. Actually, for this question, I had prepared a different answer.
Tell me.
Actually, public sector bank, since I have cracked the exams of South Indian Bank, this is the only opportunity in front of me right now. And as of I am considered good job satisfaction as well as career growth is offered by both these banks. And as of now, I have no plans to go to a public sector bank.
Okay, fine. Both are correct. Gayatri, புரிஞ்சுதா?
புரியுது sir. Okay, sir.
Both are same only. But see, let me tell you, Kanagaraj, Neetu, and so on. So there are no the correct answers. There are no the wrong answers. The conviction with which you speak, that is what is more important. For example, to tell in Tamil, all the three of you know Tamil. See, நம்ம சொல்லும்போது நமக்கு அதன் மேல் நம்பிக்கை இருக்க வேண்டும்.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
அதுதான் முக்கியம். நீங்க என்ன வேணா சொல்லுங்க, அது சப்ஸ்டான்ஷியேட் பண்றதுக்கு நீங்க சால்வ் சப்சிக்வெண்ட் ரீசன்ஸ் கொடுக்கணும். நீங்க ஏன் பப்ளிக் செக்டார் பேங்க்குக்கு போகாம இங்க வரீங்கன்னா அப்படி சொல்லலாம். அப்புறம் ராத்திரி நிறைய நேரம் உட்கார் ஒர்க் பண்ணுவியானா பண்ணுவேன். ஆனா ரியலா சொல்லும் போது வீட்டுக்கு போயிடலாம், அது வேற விஷயம். இன்டர்வியூல கேட்கும் போது நிறைய நேரம் ஒர்க் பண்ணுவேன்னா பண்ணுவேன்னு தான் சொல்லணும். அப்புறம் எங்க வேணா போட்டா போவியானா போவேன்னு தான் சொல்லணும். புரிஞ்சுதா?
Okay,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yeah, Kanagaraj got a problem in his experience. Yeah, tell me.
Sir, I've got another one question, sir. Sir, I'm a passed out in 2018, sir. Now after 2 years UPSC prepare பண்றேன் sir. Then I have been shifted to banking. So is it okay if I tell this to the panel members, sir? Like சொல்லலாமா என்ன?
I am of the view there is nothing wrong in your telling. You tried for UPSC, you could not succeed. Later on only you are trying for banks and you are now before them. There is nothing wrong in that. You are factual.
Okay sir, okay sir.
And 4 years is not a big period at all.
Okay sir, okay sir.
We are having candidates from 2013, 14, 15.
Okay sir, okay sir.
So don't worry about it. Good.
Okay.
Neetu Subramaniam. Illana first ivanga avanga per enna? Gayatri.
Yes sir.
Tell me the functions of RBI.
Sir, RBI is a regulatory body. Every country in the world will have a regulatory body, and so for India, RBI is the regulatory body, and it is also a banker to the banks, and also the banker to the government. There are various functions of RBI, such as like it controls the inflation through its monetary tools. By setting up a committee called Monetary Policy Committee, they for every 2 months, this committee will meet and will set up the repo, reverse repo, and also the limit for all the monetary tools, and various other functions are it will distribute the money. It is responsible for distributing the money to all the banks. Only through the banks, the public will get the cash from the money will be received to the public only through the banks. Sorry, Sam.
This point was last point was not correct. Last point simply you can say reserve. நீ சொல்றத பார்த்தாக்க என்னமோ நோட் எடுத்துன்னு உங்க வீட்டுக்கு வாசல்ல நிக்கிற மாதிரி இருக்கு. அப்படிலாம் இல்லை. Reserve Bank is a note issuing authority.
Okay sir, okay sir, okay sir. எனக்கு இந்த வார்த்தை
ஒரே சென்டென்ஸ் note issuing authority. அத பேங்க்ல கொண்டு கொடுக்குறாங்களா, ஸ்டேட் பேங்க் போய் வாங்கிக்கிறாங்களா, அதெல்லாம் அவங்க இஷ்டம்.
சரி சார், சரி சார், ஓகே சார்.
அப்புறம் கண்ட்ரோலர் ஆஃப் ஃபாரின் எக்ஸ்சேஞ்ச்.
ஃபாரெக்ஸ் ரிசர்வ், எஸ் சார்.
அப்புறம் பேங்கர்ஸ் டு பேங்க், பேங்கர்ஸ் டு கவர்மெண்ட். பட் 99% அவங்க மொத்த இன்டர்வியூவே 10 நிமிஷம் தான். அதனால ரொம்ப டீடைலா கேட்க மாட்டாங்க.
ஓகே சார், ஓகே சார்.
சோ அப்படி ஒன்னு டீஸ் பண்றதுன்னா கேட்கலாம். பேங்கர்ஸ் டு பேங்க்ஸ் என்னன்னு கேட்டா அதை சொல்லலாம். பேங்க் வந்து லோன் வாங்கிக்கணும், டெபாசிட் வைக்கணும். அந்த மாதிரி பேங்கர்ஸ் டு கவர்மெண்ட் கவர்மெண்ட்டுடைய டாக்ஸ் எல்லாம் கலெக்ட் பண்ணணும். அப்புறம் கவர்மெண்ட்டுக்கு லோன் கேட்டா கொடுக்கணும். அப்புறம் நோட் இஷ்யூயிங் அத்தாரிட்டினா என்ன பண்ணணும், தி கரன்சி நோட் வந்து பிரஸ்ல பிரிண்ட் ஆகும். அந்த நோட்டை கொண்டு வந்துட்டு த்ரூ ஆர்பிஐ இட் வில் பி சென்ட் ஆர் டிஸ்ட்ரிபியூட்டட். அப்புறம் ஃபாரின் எக்ஸ்சேஞ்ச்னா நம்ம கண்ட்ரிக்கு வர வேண்டிய ஃபாரின் எக்ஸ்சேஞ்ச் எல்லாமே ரிசர்வ் பேங்க் மூலம் ஆத்தரைஸ்டு பேங்க்ஸ் மூலமா வரணும். அண்ட் இன் டர்ன் த்ரூ ரிசர்வ் பேங்க். அண்ட் அதே மாதிரி பேமெண்ட்டும் எவ்ரிதிங் டு ஃபாரின் கண்ட்ரிஸ் ஹஸ் டு பி மேட் ஒன்லி த்ரூ ஆத்தரைஸ்டு பேங்க்ஸ் ஆர் ஆத்தரைஸ்டு மணி சேஞ்சர்ஸ். அண்ட் இட் இஸ் ஆல் டன் த்ரூ Reserve Bank of India. And Reserve Bank holds the foreign exchange reserve with it. Right on now, we have got more than 630 crores.
Okay, sir.
US dollar 630 billion we have.
Okay, sir.
630 billion US dollars our reserves are there. It is a very good situation. அப்படிங்கிற மாதிரி சொன்னால் போதுமானது.
ஓகே சார், ஓகே சார், தேங்க்யூ சார்.
குட். இப்ப நெக்ஸ்ட் நான் கேள்வி கேட்கிறேன். யாரு? காயத்ரி. காயத்ரி
எஸ் சார்.
காயத்ரி ஜபம் என்றால் என்ன?
சார், காயத்ரி mantras, it actually the Hindu people will believe in chanting Gayatri mantras. So Gayatri is the goddess name of Saraswati.
Good. Okay, sufficient. Gayatri, tell me about your passions.
Sir, my passions are, I really wanted to pursue a career in banking, and more than that, I used to watch English series at my leisure time just to improve my English skills. Since I have been staying in home, I don't have get opportunity to talk with people in English. So I thought watching series will really help me to be in touch, or will bridge the gap that I haven't done. Yes, sir.
Okay. So you are
Yes,
watching TV serials. Okay. Apart from that,
yes, sir.
any other hobby?
Yes, I used to cook at my leisure time, sir. I love the cooking, sir. So I used to cook.
Acha, what is the dish you can make very nicely?
Sir, I used to make shawarma, sir, and shawarma, and also I used to make biryani, sir. Those two dishes I used to make, and people will also appreciate me for.
What is the dish? Shawarma.
Shawarma is, I don't know the origination of the dish, sir. Originating country of the dish. Maybe it is Arabian dish. Like in kubus, we have to prepare kubus using the maida, sir, using the flour maida, and like after making it a dough, we have to make it settle for like an hour, or like an hour. After in the meantime, we should actually prepare the stuffing, in which stuffings are like using the cabbage, and we have to make the mayonnaise using the egg white, or using the whole egg as the ingredient. Have to make
Okay.
mayonnaise using.
Sufficient. Gayatri should learn to tell it briefly.
Okay, sir. Okay,
First,
sir.
இதெல்லாம் தேவையில்ல unnecessary sentences. எங்க இருந்து வந்ததுன்னு எனக்கு தெரியாது. அரேபிக்கால இருந்து வந்திருக்கலாம். இதெல்லாம் யாருக்கு வேணும்? Nobody needs this
Okay.
sentence. புரிஞ்சுதா?
Okay, sir.
You tell
Okay, sir.
exact point that only 10 minutes kulla you are going to enter the room. You have to smile and you have to make them believe that you are really interested in the job. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Yeah, 1 minute.
Yes, sir.
Gayatri, can you tell me this question? I have not asked any of them. Can you tell me what is banking?
So banking is.
Hmm.
Do you want me to tell what is bank or banking, sir?
What is banking?
Banking is a service which provides to the public by offering the deposits, and the public will do the deposits to the bank, and the bank in turn will give advances or loans to the customers. So these are the process that will be done in banks, and other than that, the banks will also issue bonds, like sovereign bonds, and mutual funds. Mutual fund is also the function. Mutual funds will also be happen in banks, and mutual funds will be sold in units. So
Good.
and
Okay. We'll see how Neetu is telling this. Neetu, you tell what are the functions of banks?
Sir, bank is an institution, financial institution, which accept deposit from the public and lends loans, thereby making profit. Banks provide us with various loans like home loan, gold loan, etc. Banks also have locker facilities for the purpose of keeping up securities, secure. Moreover, banks deal with the general needs of a public, like transfer of money from one bank to other, like net transactions, IMPS, etc.
இன்னும் கூட சொல்லலாம். Bank assurance சொல்லணும். You have to tell about
Okay.
bank assurance. You have to tell also about wealth management services. Nowadays, that is gaining more importance. Wealth management. Kanagaraj, do you know what is wealth management? Can you tell about it? Kanagaraj. Wealth management means, see, high net worth individuals who are having more than 30 lakhs, 40 lakhs, they are being assigned to a marketing officer, and that officer has to keep in close coordination with him and to give him suggestions for investment of the money in different schemes, say mutual fund or some other shares, dividend and all that. Do you follow, Neetu? Good.
Yes,
Gayatri, could you follow what I said about?
yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. So that is a good
Sir.
wealth management. Yeah. Question.
So bank and banking, like, is my answer to you, to the question is right, sir? Like, is
No,
it a service
No,
offered
no,
by the bank?
no, it's okay. Fine. No, actually, for that question, what is banking question? There is no need for you to tell. I mean, okay, what you said is okay. Only thing is, it was so lengthy. It should be
Yes,
brief.
sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I don't know where to stop, and I was like lengthening the answers.
Left
Have
to
to
me,
stop.
left to me, I will say banking means accepting deposits from the public and making advances.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
You can stop with that. If they say, can you tell what are the other functions they are doing? You can tell about that also.
Okay, sir.
Okay, 1 minute.
Okay.
Only 1 minute. Hello. Yes, please. Yes. For which interview? Eight such. Then I am now in a Zoom. I will call you. I will tell you after 3 minutes. Then you can come for marketing. Thank you. Hello. Yeah. Now these people. Next interview will be for a marketing services in IBPSPO. So this is how briefly you can tell that whatever you say is right. Gayatri, what you told was not wrong. Correct only.
Okay. Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
They will say Sibyl, they are asking only, have you gone through the questions I have provided or not?
No, sir. Haven't read, sir.
Okay.
I don't have access to the questions like provided, sir.
Are you a member of my Telegram group or not?
Yes, sir. IBPSPO interview, that group only, no, sir.
There I have posted all the questions. Anyhow, I am posting once again all the questions so that you can see them. Okay.
Sir,
Okay.
I am not a member of the Telegram group. How should I join the group?
I will send you the link for you. You are having.
Okay, sir.
You are having. What is your number starting with, Neetu?
9074.
1 minute. 9074. Got it.
Okay.
I am giving you the link of that group. Okay, 1 minute.
Okay,
And if
sir.
you want, you can come and join again. Not a problem. But of
Okay.
course, whether I will have time to talk to you again, detail, I don't know. And or where in a Gayatri.
Yes, sir.
On the website, on the Telegram la poneyana, you will get
Yes,
a lot of materials also for studying about banking.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
ஆனா படிக்க time இல்ல பாரு என்ன முடிஞ்சா படி. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay.
I
So
have
any feedback?
I have given 2 books. அது ஏதாவது ஒரு book படிச்சா போதும்.
Sorry, sir. Sorry, sir. Sir, like what should I change, sir? Feedback.
ஒன்றும் ப்ராப்ளம் இல்லை. கொஞ்சம் வேகமா உறக்க பேசுற மாதிரி இருக்கு. அது
Okay, sir.
நேரா உட்கார்ந்து இருக்கும்போது ஐ மீன் போன்ல எப்படி வரும்னு தெரியல. ஐ மீன் இன்டர்நெட்ல எப்படி வரும்னு தெரியல. பாப்போம். பட் கொஞ்சம் குறைச்சிக்கோ. பட் the Neetu's voice is correct.
Sir,
Okay, sir. Okay.
what
Yeah.
are the areas I should improve?
No, as it is, I have not asked many questions. Only few areas I have asked. There
Yes,
can
sir.
be. That is why I am given you the questions in the Telegram page. Please
Okay,
go
sir,
through
I'll
them
look into it.
and prepare on them. And out of them, any 5 questions you have doubts, you please send WhatsApp message to me. I may come and
Okay.
talk to you over phone or send message to you.
Okay, sir.
Same thing to Gayatri, same thing to Kanagaraj.